Hey guys, welcome back. I know I haven't had very many videos lately, but hopefully I can make up for it and start posting more this spring. So, I'm Hannah, welcome back, and if this is your first time, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy my gardening videos. So I wanted to talk today about my rain barrel and kind of recycling water. Rainwater, it's shown to have much more benefits to plants than any kind of water. Sporadically, like whenever I can, I'll come out here and fill up my watering cans with water for my houseplants inside. Just because it has so many more benefits for them, it's just rainwater is so much better for your plants. And by kind of harnessing the water that you already have, you can help save money on, if you have a water bill, you can help save electricity, on your well, or whatever other, means you might have for gathering water. So I have a rain barrel hooked up to the roof of my greenhouse where that any water that comes off the top goes directly into the rain barrel. It has an overflow spout on the side so that, it kind of overflows. During the season, I'll show you here, I have a water hose that hooks up to the bottom of it so I can kind of put it in whatever containers I need it to. This time of year, we kind of disconnect a lot. February is usually, we get a lot of freezing, so, we try to make it as easy as we can on it. So I wanted to show you guys, that today, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is the barrel. We have it elevated on a platform so that all my, watering cans and everything will fit underneath it. The actual barrel itself pretty much always stays full. You can see the water line there at the back. I took the lid off today to show you guys, but we have a gutter, hooked directly to the greenhouse, which needs to be cleaned, but at least you guys can see what we have there. This is our little overflow area. So all the extra water flows into here. The hose that I mentioned earlier hooks up down here, and then this is baling twine because we use it for everything. And I just hook it in here when I'm not using it. The biggest issue that I've had with this has been our little seal down here. You just have to make sure that it's not leaking. We've gotten mine sealed pretty good where I rarely have issues with it. I can just turn this and I've got water and turn it back. It's a pretty simple process. For the lid, you can see it's a little bit dirty still, but this fits right in here and it fits all the way down. I'm not going to snap it in right now, but it kind of fits in there. And then we have this ring that goes over top of it and threads along the side, right in there. So it seals everything down nicely, and you can still, access your water and clean it and everything you need to. And yeah, I've been very pleased with this. It's been great to be able to harvest my rainwater, and I don't know, it's just been wonderful. I highly recommend it. You can hook it up to almost anything, like to actually harvest the water. But it's been greatly beneficial out here, for the greenhouse and everything. Anyway, I know the video was a little quicker than normal, but I just wanted to cover the basics of having a rain barrel and harvesting your own rainwater and why that's such a great thing. It helps your farm or your garden be sustainable. It helps you save with your power and electricity, or your water bill if you live, in the city and you don't have your own well. And honestly, it's just a great way to give your plants a little bit of extra nutrients that they need from the rainwater. So thanks for checking out my channel, and be sure to look at my other videos. If you guys have any video requests or things that you want me to, or questions or anything, be sure to either comment them below or message me on Instagram. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.